Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel and today we are back again with a new video. So in this video, I will show you how can you easily fix the issue of beeping sound whenever you click repeatedly shift key on your laptop or PC. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, firstly head towards Start menu and type Control Panel there. In the results, at the top, you will see the application's name. Simply click Enter or click on Open beside it and you will be able to open the control panel. Once this application opens, you can see a search bar at the top right corner. Simply search for Ease for Access and you will see the setting on your left hand side. Click on it and then Ease of Access Center will provide you the setting of Make Your Keyboard Easier. So simply scroll below and click on Make Your Keyboard Easier to Use. Once you do, go to Setup Sticky Keys. You can see the option in the middle. Simply click on it and toggle off the feature of turn on sticky key when shift is pressed for 5 times. And that's it. After you toggle off this feature, click on Apply and then OK. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.